People said making money online is so complicated, but I came out with this video to tell you that it's not true. If you really know what to do, you can make huge amount of money online. And in today's video tutorial, I am going to prove it to you and show you exactly how you can make over $200,000 online only with copy and pasting. If you're the type living in countries like Nigeria, Bangladesh, India, then this is for you. Stay tuned and watch all this step in all the part of this video, because I'm going to break everything into two steps that we're going to be combining together to make money online. So this is a huge finance freedom opportunity for you. So stay tuned to see how we're going to set it up together, and you can set it up yourself. And if you miss any part in this video, you can also go back and re-watch this video so you can set everything up yourself. And after setting this up yourself, it's going to work on autopilot and you can start earning money online as simple as ABC. So before we move on, if you love this content, please support this channel and give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you haven't, do yourself a favor and subscribe to this channel and turn on notification bell button, so each time when I create new videos like this, you will get notified. Alright, let's move on into today's tutorial. The first platform I want to show you what we need is called Amazon. So this is what we're going to show you today. As you can see, I'm now on Amazon Kindle. There are different type of Kindles here, and there's some for 90 cents, there's some for $2.99, and this is what I want to show you. Let's just go down to the bottom. You can see this one for $14.99. So this is the Amazon Kindle price. It can cost up to even $14.99. And now let's just quickly make the math. As you can see, this person here has almost a 5-star and has already got 15,886 review. So let's just make the math. Okay, now I'm on Google Calculator. As you can see, let's just write here $14.99 times 15,886. So when we calculate that together, so see what we're going to get. We get $238,131.14. So this is a very significant amount of money that you can earn online with this strategy that I'm going to show you. And even if you put more effort to this, you can even earn more money, even more than this, online, also using Amazon. So there is this one platform that is going to allow us to do this for free with no investment. And even if you keep on watching this video to the end, I'm going to give you also bonus tips to even earn more money online. So the first platform we're going to need is Visme.co. I repeat, the name of this platform is called Visme.co. So what we can do on this platform is that this platform will allow us to create documents like that, okay, like this Kindle that we can resell on Amazon Kindle ebook. So this is what we want to do. To do that, we just need to go here and click on create. So, but before we go on, I'm just going to break down the 3 steps that we're going to be using to make this method work. The first step is that we're going to choose a done for you template, and which we're going to do on this Visme.co. And after the step 2 is that we're going to edit it, and after editing it, we're going to step 3, which is we're going to download this ebook for free on our laptop or on our computer, and after that we can use it on Amazon. But first, this is already Visme.co. What we need to do after clicking on create, we want to go to documents, because we want to create document, okay? And it's going to be an ebook. So now we click on document, and now it's going to show us this next step, and it's going to show us create your free document. So when we click on create your free document, so when we click on that, it's going to bring us to this next page where we can sign up to use this platform. Don't worry, it is free to use, okay? All we need to do is just go down here and click on sign up. So to sign up, it's going to ask us, we can sign up with either email and password, or we can sign up with Google, or sign up with Facebook. So after doing that, it's going to take us to this next page, and this is where it gets really critical. So we have to take care here. What we want to do to use this for free, we need to click on, we want to use it for personal use, okay? So we click on personal use, and after clicking on personal use, it's going to bring us to this new page here, so we can use it for free. So now when we just click on create, we're going to go to new project and document, okay? And as you can see, we have so many ebooks here that we can use. It is a free website. All what we see here, we can reuse it and also customize it to our taste to start using, okay? So first I will use this one here. Let's just click on edit. To edit it is very easy. So at the right hand side here, we have all the different pages in this ebook. And now if we want to change the page's name, okay, we can just double click on it. We can move text to where we want, or we can also change the font, we can change the bold, we can change the text color, or we can change the writing, or we can also underline it. We can just change it to how we want it, okay? What I want to do now, this is the cover, okay? This is very, very good in this website because they are going to give us a cover. Using this website, then we have a cover for the ebook. So this is what we're going to be using on Amazon, and I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to upload this on Amazon. So first of all, we can change the name here. To change, you just double click it, and we can change it. I'm going to write my name here. You see, Tosin. And after that, we can also change the title, and we can leave it after customizing it to our taste. If you also don't want to customize it, you can also leave it like that and go ahead and upload it to your Amazon Kindle ebook. But I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So after finishing with this, you just need to click on download, and it's going to download to your computer, and you can reuse it. So this is the first tip I want to give you guys. First, I would say it's better to go to health fitness, because this is training and you can earn the most money doing this. So we can go to health fitness, and so we want to create ebooks on these niches, guy, okay? So this is how we're going to do it. Now I'm going to go to the second bonus tip. The second bonus tip is that we can also go to freeprldownload.com. This is where we can also get free ebook to reuse, okay? PRL stands for private label rights. So we can reuse these ebooks here and sell them on Amazon. But first, you can see here at the left side, you can see they have so many categories. So we can just go here to health category and find free ebook that we can resell on Amazon. So when you find an ebook that you want to use, you just need to click on it, and you can easily download it by clicking on this button. You're going to download it to your computer, and you can reuse it direct immediately and start selling it on Amazon for list price, okay? I won't advise you to go for $14, but you can go for something like $11 or different. You can also go lesser, so you can have more chance to sell more ebook. So when you sell more ebooks, this is what's going to make you most money. Now I'm going to show you exactly how to upload this on Amazon ebook. You just need to go to Kindle Direct Publish, that is kdp.amazon.com, and here you can start uploading these ebooks on Amazon, and you're going to get paid for that when someone buy your ebook on Amazon. This is a very potential way to make money online as even a new beginner. You can even make a huge money online as a new beginner on this. So first, if you don't have any account on Kindle Direct Publishing, you just need to click on sign up, and it's going to bring you to this next page. So if you have an account, you can just easily put your account details and you can sign in. But if you don't have any account, you can go here and create your own KDP account. You just click on create, and you can write your name, your email address, and your password, and you re-enter your password, and you're ready to use Kindle Direct Publishing to sell your free ebooks that you downloaded. So I hope you get value on this video, because this works worldwide, okay? No matter where you come from, also where you come from Africa, you can use this method to earn money for yourself. So I hope you get more value on this video, and if so, please give this video a thumbs up, support this channel and give it a thumbs up. And also, if you haven't, do yourself this favor now and subscribe to this channel, turn on notification bell button, so each time when I create new videos and new strategies like this, you will get notified, and in this way you're going to be the first one to make the most money out of this strategy. So thank you for watching this video, guys. I'm going to see you in my next video.